Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change the country or region of your Google Play Store when certain apps, games, or content are not available in your current region. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Now select Settings. Under Settings, tap General. Then select Account and Device Preferences. Here, you can see the country currently registered with your Google Play Store account. Scroll down, and you may see options recommended by Google to change your Play Store country. Depending on your account and location, Google may ask you to add a credit or debit card, or use SIM billing as part of the country change process. Select the available option and complete the required step. Once the process is completed, your Google Play Store country will be changed to the new country. Keep in mind that the change may not happen immediately. Google says the update can take up to 48 hours to take effect automatically. Also, the country change option may not be available for every account, and Google may apply additional eligibility requirements. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android and Windows tips.